Hello, you're welcome to Mary's Lifestyle. My name is Mary, and today I'm bringing you not so different a recipe, but on how to bake banana bread recipe. I've been home for the past 2 weeks now, and I thought I should share something in my kitchen because I can't afford not to bake staying at home. This is the recipe which I used on my birthday, and everybody loves the cake, and I thought, why not, I can share it with you. So I hope you will love it and you're going to bake your own at home. And I want to say thank you to everyone that has been watching, subscribing, and saying nice things to me on my channel. Thank you so much. And if you're new into my channel, please kindly subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also invite your family to watch with you. Thank you so much for watching. Let's get into the recipe and do justice to it. Thank you. We have 2 very ripe banana, about 225 grams, and then we have 3 eggs, free-range eggs. Then we have 280 grams of self-rising flour, mixed nut of almond, pistachio, and walnuts. Then we have the cinnamon powder and a teaspoon of baking powder. I've got 110 grams of white sugar. You can use brown sugar. I have 160 grams of melted unsalted butter. And then I have my brownie. Then I have my pan, my cake pan or bread pan. So I've already greased the pan and flour it. So if you don't know how to do this, you have to watch my previous video to know how to grease your pan. And I have my wooden spoon here. I have my fork here. And I have my whisk. So now we are going to start with the banana. Okay, let me mix. I'm going to start with the dry ingredient. So I'm going to add the baking powder to the flour. I forgot to mention that I have salt already. I've added salt to the recipe. So I'm going to add the cinnamon. This is going to be yum. I love cinnamon flavor. So I'm going to mix everything together. Smelling good already. That's nicely mixed. So I'm going to peel the banana. It's really ripe. As you can see, this is very, very ripe. When you see those spots, the better it gets. So I'm going to use my whisk. You can use fork. Let me use fork to start with. So I'm going to mash it with my fork. It's really mushy. If you don't want to see any seed, you can blend it. You can blend it, or you can use your mixer to do this. But it's a very simple and easy recipe, so you don't need to go through that stress of using your mixer or whatever. Point. I'm going to change it, switch it over. I'm going to add my sugar to it. I love banana bread, especially in the morning, with lots of nuts. You can't go wrong with it. My 3 eggs, I'm whisking it, so I'm going to pour it in. Always put all your wet ingredients together before the dry ingredients. Then you add your melted butter. That looks good. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe. Subscribe to my channel so that you can get all these amazing recipes. I'm going to add the flour to it. You're adding your stirring. As you're adding your stirring, gently fold it in. Fold it in gently. It's mixed already. So now I'm going to pour in my nuts. Everything is nicely folded in. I'm going to add this brownie, but it's actually optional. But I like the flavor of it, and I also like the color, so that's why I'm adding a little bit of it. So it's going to be like a teaspoon or less, just a drop. Not much. You don't have to waste your banana. Anytime you have that and you think it's overripe, use it to make some cake. In my previous video, I used plantain to make it. I'm adding my nuts now. Wow, that smells so good. I love it. I love it. This is yum. This is gonna look so good. I'm loving my cake already. So I'm going to pour it into the pan, and the oven is already preheated. Ready to get into the oven. Let's take it to the oven. See how it looks? Looks yum, 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 yum. Bake the cake at about 180 to 200 degrees until the toothpick or knife inserted inside the cake comes out clean. As you can see, the knife is clean, which means your cake is ready. So this time you have to take it out of the pan and place it in the plate or rack and decorate it with a slice of banana. Enjoy your cake. Please remember to subscribe, like and share, and enjoy your cake. See you some other time. Bye. I'm sure you heard the alert sound while the recording was going on. Apologies. It was actually an alert sound from BBC or CNN News. Thank you so much for staying by to watch. Have a blessed day.